Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2020 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. I'm going to go ahead and start in the back. This boat is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury. It definitely is enough power for this boat. It'll get you anywhere you need to go. Next up in the back, we do have the jump seats that's closed down and give you a nice little casting platform back here. Moving forward, we do have the upgraded leaning post on this boat with the live well right here. I did option it with the blue gel coat inside the live well. Got cup holders and storage for your pliers and your knives, things like that. Moving up to the helm, this is the upgraded leaning post. As I said before, the bolsters do flip up, so you have something nice to rest on right here. Or if you want to have them flat down, you can sit on them, put your feet up here. This boat does have digital throttle and shift, trim tabs with indicators showing you where they're at, fusion head unit, and Mercury digital displays, as well as all your switches right here at arm's reach. There is plenty of room right here to put in a fish finder, depth finder navigation, which we do all of that in-house. I want to go ahead and look up real quick. There's a storage net right here. A lot of people like to put in their life vests and throw cushions, things like that. One other thing I'd like to point out is this, it was optioned with the black T-top and the black rod holders or rocket launchers, if you may. Now moving forward, huge casting platform up front here. This boat was optioned with the trolling motor plug, so pretty much all you need on this boat is to install a quick release bracket, plug in the trolling motor, and you're ready to go. Right here we do have an anchor locker and also a large fish box that is self-draining. So when you're done with the fish or using it as a cooler, just hose it down and it'll drain overboard. Rod holders on each side of the front right here. You can actually option this boat to have a backrest. They slide in the rod holders and an entire cushion right here. This boat was also optioned with the Yeti cooler, which has the cushion and the backrest as well. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax showing you the 2020 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. Come by and see us soon.